Hello, everybody. It is your favorite traveling channel back here again with another hotel room tour. This time, I am staying at OYO, OYO, St. Louis, right across the street from the Enterprise Center. Because I'm going to something at the Enterprise Center, so that's why I chose this one this time. So, anyway, let me give you a little tour. Look around here. So, starting out, when you come in the door, immediately to the left, you have the bathroom vanity, your favorite content creator. Get the vanity with the sink there. Now, I opened that soap and used it. It wasn't like that when I got here. It was in a package. Same with the towel. I used that one. And the towel rack of towels, hair dryer, tissue box. Across from that, a full-length mirror. I'm assuming this is a closet. Yep. Ironing board. Plenty of closet space, plenty of storage space. Into the bathroom. Got the toilet, the towels up there. The bathtub. The shower head, which looks pretty nice actually. I haven't taken a shower in it yet. No. And moving on to the main part of the room. Which before we get to there, there's another counter with a sink. A microwave, an ice bucket with some cups, and a little refrigerator. Looks like just a refrigerator, not a freezer, but that's alright. I guess those drawers don't open. Or I guess this one doesn't. Plenty of space under there. In onto the main part of the room. There's the TV. With the dresser underneath. Nice big desk. Definitely got plenty of room there. Now, one thing you'll notice is the furniture is kind of retro, but I mean, that's fine with me. It doesn't really matter too much. As long as it's in decent condition. There's a chair there. Then a nightstand, as well as the couch with my stuff on it, coffee table with my stuff on it again, another nightstand with a landline that I seriously doubt anybody even uses anymore. I kind of like the old school furniture. It gives it kind of a retro theme, I guess. Another nightstand with another lamp on it. Clock, radio, alarm clock. Nice big king size bed. And it's the same price if you get a king or two double beds or Or a single bed. All right, let's test it out. Gonna jump on it. Yeah. It's fine. It's not just fine, it's comfy. Pillows are too. And last but not least, let's see what the view is. Assuming I can get the curtains open. Oh, wait, does this open? No, it doesn't. That's actually a pretty nice view of the little courtyard area down below. Now keep in mind it's still inside. Very nice view. A lot better than some views I've had before. Yep. So I guess that's about it. Thermostat, nothing too exciting about that. So, my overall opinion, if you're looking for a place to stay, especially if you're going to somewhere at the Enterprise Center and you're from out of town and you want a place to stay for that, then I will recommend, and I would stay again. Thank you for watching this video tour of the OYO Hotel in St. Louis, Missouri. And for plenty more travel and concert videos, keep tuned to the Cool Concert channel. That's it for now.